Hi everyone! Today we are visiting Philadelphia. People often call it Philly. It is a large and famous city in the state of Pennsylvania, on the east coast of the USA. It is located between New York City and Washington, D.C. Philadelphia is one of the oldest cities in America. It was the first capital of the United States. It is a city of firsts. The first library, the first hospital, and the first zoo in the country were built here. It is a very friendly place known as the City of Brotherly Love. What is the weather like? In summer, it is very hot and humid. In winter, it is cold and you can see snow. In spring and autumn, the weather is perfect and beautiful for walking. There are many amazing places to visit, but the most important is the Liberty Bell. It is a famous symbol of American freedom. The bell is very old. It was made in London in 1752. In the past, it was at Independence Hall. People rang the bell to share important news and to call leaders to meetings. Why is it famous? It is a symbol of independence. In the 1800s, people who wanted to end slavery used this bell as their sign. Today, millions of tourists visit Philadelphia to see it. There are 3 interesting facts about the bell. The crack. It has a very big crack. This happened in 1846, so the bell doesn't ring anymore. The message. There is a beautiful message on the bell about freedom for all people. The weight. It is very heavy. It weighs 943 kilograms, like a small car. You can find the bell today in the Liberty Bell Center, right in the center of the city. Right across the street, you can see Independence Hall. This beautiful red brick building is the birthplace of the United States. In 1776, American leaders signed the Declaration of Independence here. Later, they wrote the U.S. Constitution in the same building. It is so important that you can even see a picture of it on the back of the $100 bill. After visiting the historic center, you must go to the Philadelphia Museum of Art. But most people don't go inside immediately. They go to the Rocky Steps. These are the 72 stone steps in front of the museum. They are world famous because of the movie Rocky. In the film, the boxer Rocky Balboa runs up these steps while he is training. What can you do there? Today, thousands of tourists visit the steps. They run to the top, jump in the air, and raise their arms like champions. It is a very fun experience. From the top, you can see a beautiful view of the Philadelphia skyline. At the bottom of the steps, there is a big bronze statue of Rocky. It is a perfect place to take a photo. After the steps, remember to look at the museum. It is one of the largest and most beautiful art museums in the United States. Do you want to see more? First, visit Elfreth's Alley. It is a tiny, beautiful street, and it is the oldest in the country. Next, go to the Magic Gardens. It is a fantastic place with colorful mosaics made of glass and tiles. Finally, if you like mysteries, visit Eastern State Penitentiary. It is an old prison where the famous Al Capone stayed. After all that walking, you must be hungry. Philadelphia has amazing food. First, visit Reading Terminal Market. It is one of the oldest and largest indoor food markets in America. Inside, there are many stands with fresh food, sweets, and international dishes. Curiosity. Many stands are run by the Amish people from the Pennsylvania countryside. You must try their famous warm glazed donuts. You cannot leave the city without eating a Philly cheesesteak. It is the symbol of the city. It is a sandwich with thin pieces of beef and melted cheese on a long bread roll. Curiosity. When you order, you must be fast. Locals often say one whiz wit. This means one steak with cheese whiz, a type of cheese, and onions. Wit means with onions. For a quick snack, try a Philadelphia soft pretzel. They are shaped like a figure 8 and are very soft. Curiosity. People in Philadelphia eat more pretzels than any other city in the USA. They love to eat them with spicy yellow mustard. If you want to relax, you can walk along the Delaware River. At Penn's Landing, there are parks and music in the summer. In the winter, you can even go ice skating there. Also, don't forget to look at the walls. Philadelphia is the city of murals. There are over 4,000 beautiful paintings on the buildings. If you travel with your family, you must visit the Philadelphia Zoo. It is very special because it was the very first zoo in the United States. Philadelphia is a city with a great past and a fun present. Whether you love history, art, or delicious sandwiches, there is something for everyone. Thank you for watching my video. See you in Philly. Bye!